How long does it take to evict a tenant? The length of time it takes to evict a tenant can vary depending on the circumstances and the state or jurisdiction in which the property is located. In general, the process begins with the landlord giving the tenant notice to vacate the property, which typically gives the tenant a certain number of days to remedy the issue or vacate the property. If they do not, then the landlord can file an eviction lawsuit with the court. Once the lawsuit is filed, it can take several weeks or even months for the court to hear the case and make a decision. If the court rules in favor of the landlord, the tenant will be ordered to vacate the property within a certain time frame. However, if the tenant appeals the decision, it can take even longer for the eviction to be carried out. It's important to note that eviction laws and procedures vary by state and jurisdiction.